Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to add number 1 in here. Later that we need to minus number 1. Because I want to create about identity in here. So we have s plus 1 everything to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s plus 1 equal to secant of t, because if I put this one go in here, we have secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. We do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about ds equal to secant of t tan t dt. First the derivative of s, you got about number 1 in here. So that's why you just write about ds. First the derivative of number 1, you got about 0. First the derivative of this one, that's about this one. So this one we change secant of t. ds we change by this one. Next, secant of t square minus 1, we change tan t square. The square root of tan t square, you got about tan t. This one we have secant of t dt. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we can find about t equals to arcsecant of s plus 1. So we put this one to change about t. Secant with arcsecant, you got about s plus 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.